Except this is Lil Shaunolo from CMTV. I'm back again with another banger. So guys, I'm here to test the relationship. The money is still the same. I haven't changed anything. Yeah, so I'm testing relationship. You get 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. 1,000 rand. So stay tuned and watch what I'm about to do. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
Hello. How are you? I'm fine. My name is Lil Shaunolo. I'm doing a show. I want to ask you a few questions to test if your partner is loyal. So my name is Lil from CMTV. So I'm doing a loyalty test. We're going to give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. So I believe that your partner is loyal. Do you trust your partner?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Bush.
Bush.
Yeah.
So Bush, how long have you been together with your partner, and when last did you see your partner?
Nyaka, he say 1 year.
Okay, 1 year.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you trust your partner?
Yes.
When last did you see your partner?
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday in the morning.
Okay. It's always in the morning, so you slept over.
Oh. But it's in the morning, so
You just went to see your partner in the morning?
Yeah, we sleep over.
You slept over?
Yeah.
Oh. Why not you are shy about bedroom things?
Nothing.
It's normal.
No.
Oh, did you give your partner?
No.
Oh, Monique.
Why?
Eh? What do you mean why? Like...
Yeah.
Okay. So what is your partner's name?
Isabel.
Sabelo.
Yeah.
Yamtanda.
Yeah, ngiyamthanda.
Are you shy to talk about things? Because now it's like you are hesitant to talk about certain things.
Yeah.
Okay. Everything is like, yeah. Okay, let me get straight into it then. Let me take out my phone. So I need you to type Sabelo's numbers, and then we're going to call Sabelo, and then we're going to confirm if you are alone in his life, right? Yeah, please type Sabelo's numbers. I won't take time, just quick few questions. Yeah, just type them there. Chris Okorohola, man. Okay, thank you. If you want my phone here. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to him now. Check what loyal now.
Hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a loyalty test here. I'm with your partner. We want to ask you a few questions to test if you are loyal to your partner. If you are loyal, your partner is going to get 1,000 rand.
Okay, I try. No, you out to know to contract.
Okay. So, how long have you guys been together?
I think we have 4 years now.
4 years, okay. And do you guys have a baby?
No, we don't have a baby.
Okay. When last did you see your partner?
I think day before yesterday.
Okay, day before yesterday. Did she sleep over by your place?
Normally it's banana no a guest house most of the time because there's a distance between us.
And how many times do you guys see each other in a month?
Probably 3 to 4 times.
Okay.
Actually every weekend.
Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
She's light.
Okay. What is her name?
Usibongile.
Usibongile. She's light skin. Ukhona omunye othandana naye?
Other than my ex, what's that? I guess.
Isabelo. Isabelo. Hello, ukhuluma nobuhle. Ubani uSibongile?
Manje ngiyayithenga.
Suthi Sibongile enhle wena uyathita ne?
Thina ka mani so like that.
Undenza isibanqa sakho wena.
Nabo mani abathanda umoshi.
Okay, undenza muncu undenza isidenge sakho. Uthi sina 4 years nami.
Umfazi wakhe.
Wafuna imizwa sizoyithetha kakuhle.
Okay, yima Sabelo uSibongile into umfazi wakho. Nje uthi umgqibele ngomgqibelo kodwa mina beninawe mina Saturday ekseni. Wena uthi unaya day before yesterday uSibongile wapi lawo?
Uthi every weekend.
Every weekend wena every weekend uhlangana noSibongile.
If umona every weekend, esho ukuthi like umnika every weekend.
Sabelo. Ubani Sabelo.
Jonga no.
Sabelo.
Mamela. Alisenza kanje sidibane late ba.
Ndizoyenza lo nto ungekaniphendula ngibani uSibongile.
Mana ngisoze mazi.
Undenza muncu wena soze nimazi ngoba kuthenga soze mazi. Wena unesecret unemfihlo kunindani kubuza ngento zakho uzenzayo. Manje ngingani bayeke into uzenzayo. Dimlo muncu.
Uthi yena ubusy nama ex wakhe and stuff like that.
Undenza muncu lo.
Ungathi mina ayithethanga zani into.
Phendula umbuzo ngubani uSibongile sundenza isidenge ngubani uSibongile.
Bheka mamela sona zami khawuze endlini man.
Akho nto nzayimamela mina beninawe bendikunqanda apha ezinsukwini sithi yeke lento yakho kanti wena sebusiness noSibongile. Una 4 years noSibongile. Una 4 years nanosibongile kodwa mina nonyaka kanti nawe.
And uthi umona ema guest house.
Unibona ema guest house
uyabhuka all the time.
Ndenza muncu nesabelo.
Unemali uyabhuka all the time. Every weekend uyabhuka yena.
Ngifetha kwento zaphela ndithethe nawe mina ayikho.
Ukhona umuntu azobhuka ema guest house nomuntu wakhe. Every weekend.
Ubhuka kanjani emawo?
Every weekend.
Sabelo ngubani uSibongile?
It's a side uSibongile.
Ubani uSibongile? Ngubani uSibongile undenza isidenge na wena?
Jonga sena sami zendizeza later apho kwenza umlando va.
Uzothetha nto uzonilanda uzothetha nto ungekayiphendula kaSibongile.
Into zethu manje ngathi nabantu bangaphandle.
Akho abantu bangaphandle apha. Ucacile wena dance isidenge sakho wena ngingakuboni undenza muncu.
Okay.
Yini ukwenza muncu?
Intoni uyithethe ematwini intoni leyo? Sabelo uyathi ngubani uSibongile?
I have one question. Ask if they're using a condom with no.
Okay, nini uSibongile nayisebenzisa condom? Sabelo phendula umbuzo. Sabelo phendula umbuzo nayisebenzisa na icondom. Wena dithe phendula umbuzo yayisebenzisa na icondom.
Expose TV.
Expose TV ngubani uSibongile?
Okay, Jonga ngiza drop ifone ngokuza abantu bangithele nqa.
Bakuthele nqa ngantoni? Dithe ngubani uSibongile?
Uzakufonela baby ba.
Uzanifona nto awukaniphendula ngubani uSibongile?
Ndiyakuthanda umuntu wami.
Sabelo ngubani uSibongile? Niyayisebenzisa icondom nini uSibongile?
Ufila kanjani?
Ukuthi yazi hayi ngiphoxekile. Bengilindele kahle mara bengalindela into ezinje kusabela.
Now what shocks me gore arena uthandana noSibongile mara umona every weekend at his house. Like why angamone like why angabamvakashele kibo? Sho ukuthi uyamfihla naye. Nawe uyakubukela ama guest house?
No.
Uyakibo.
Ulala kwami. Enhle ngathi kukithi ba because akho bantu badala ngihlala ngiyi1. Yeah.
Okay. So since when now umuzile ukuthi uyasebenza nina nayasebenzisa?
No.
Okay. So usafuna ukuqhubeka naye?
Ngiyengikwazi. Ngiyengikwazi because unesithethu sabelo ndenza ngiyengikwazi.
You're even sweating. It's too much, ne?
Yeah.
Yes. A lot is going on. I'm so sorry, ne? You know, let's give you some time.
Yeah.
If you wanna go, you can go in peace. Singakubambe kakhulu. Yo, guys. Chris, ese samoshela abantu ilanga labo. Pino, uzala zingufake ku camera. You know what's crazy? The voice tone has changed, ne? The voice changed. Oh, it's hectic. Okay, Chris, we are not here to judge people, Chris. Anyway, Pinda, why are you hiding? Pinda, what's wrong? There? Pella, I want to test Pinda if he's loyal also. I want to test if you are dating one person. No one is safe SMTV. You want to check if you are loyal. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Lily Nolo. See you guys on the next one. Don't go.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wena ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile i-loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina? Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I am stuck with my girlfriend there.
Why are you cheating?